check out this guy. It is a Transformers rescue bot, Bumblebee. I got him because I was recently at the Universal Studios place and got my picture taken with a big Transformer guy. I think it was Bumblebee. I think so. I could be wrong. I have the picture somewhere, but I thought it was awesome. This guy in a big costume was crazy. So yeah, I saw this and I thought maybe you'd like it. He turns into a raptor. So we are going to free him, and then he's going to turn into a dinosaur. So, oh yeah, you got it. Oh wow, that was so much easier than the Disney princesses. Okay, so how does this work? There's the instructions back there. I have to get out. Maybe I can figure it out myself. Okay, let's see if this helps us. Oh no, it's a comic book with no words. Heatwave, the rescue Dinobot. Alright. I didn't really need to get that out. So I guess it's kind of a figure it out yourself sort of thing. So, okay. Oh, well that's not hard. Wait, he's got plastic there. Eesh. Get that plastic out of there. Oh, wow, that was way too easy. So there you go. I wasn't expecting that to be so quick. Now he's a dinosaur. Oh, those don't move. Oh, wait. His mouth opens, kinda. Oh, like that. There. Mouth opens like that. He can talk. So, there we go. It was a robot, and now it's a dinosaur, a raptor. So, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed Transformers, and if you buy me, then I hope you have fun with me and my friends. I don't know what to say. I'm just really having fun with the talking dinosaur. So, see you later. Rawr.